me say everybody carry me now. So what I want, hey? When we say we go every massive and we go every crow, you know say the money dance on the line. So then, put your money on me. Oh, yeah, we don't really matter if it's only that way. See, if I don't know, say the party, they will see. Put your money on me. Put your money on me. Walk up in the house and coach and dresser. All of the people, they were ready, the professor goes. Put your money on me. Can't go there, you make some else play the car. Can't back to the car. Now, Marcy, the people around the sun, you can follow go closer to God. But you can see that intimate and feel. Yes, sir. I tell you what, man, dance and music. Rest and they don't open your door and your phone. See, you can be fence on my road. Then I'll be thinking get cold. Oh, tell them they don't have to. Tell them. The clean out people that big up on themselves. The clean out people that big up on themselves. See the Profeasor Nuts and pick the other one from the stage one time. But tell me I'm this 10 years old, I say I'm not wicked. You want man up? Hey, come on, tell me my man there. Say, if they would only what? As a pal of me there. I don't know the head. I'm getting grass. I make we tell them. No one pop. Them as a high, them as a boulder. So them a bang bands up, them want to see the bands up. Them want to say for you, them say the wrong chop. Put up your man, them if you know say the man shot. Them make you think like a gun of us a man shot. No, I ever hear about 21 gun salute. And just one blank salute to the professor. Put up your man, them if you know say the man shot. Them make you think like a gun of us a man shot. Go! No, see what I said? Remember I said, they introduced me as agent Sasco. So I'll be a young people there, young people like you say, you have a different name one at the time. You never know that lady, you never know that. You didn't know so what? You didn't know so? You know Sasco? I Google should Google it. You what? I'm going to say something, I'm going to say about an assassin container. Play some of that track. So, you know, Profeasor Nuts, the storytelling and the expression in the music. You want, you know, lady, in the middle of my speech, I tell you what you want to hear. You know, man, I can make a next request. I can't tell a story about the general. It's not this is about Profeasor Nuts right about now. Can I honor the man, please? Yeah? Then of course, man, when I never seen that too. I want me to talk about that too.
Telling story.
Storytelling. Understand, sir, it's not just you know, brethren, we respect and all, you sing some nice song and you just all about. Now talk about real professor. We are talking about a different level of writing and composition with expression within the writing. And he says some things that is weaving into the culture and even understand why lodging at your art because it's just so relevant to the Jamaican experience. I give you an example. You have a song, it's not even a song, you're on a stage one time. I tell a story about, you remember the story about Jimmy, drunken Jimmy, right?
Yeah.
So Jimmy, the man said Jimmy come out of a bar, drunk and granted and he said Jimmy lean up against a jump and vomit, right? And the man said Jimmy I walk with it and see a mongrel dog. You know what kind of dog? A mongrel dog. Most Jamaican, right? Or Jamaican terrier if you will. Engineer fix that, they can't match up the story without feedback somewhere. So anyway, Jimmy I walk with it and see a mongrel gun near the vomit and it's a move dog! And then Jimmy I look at it and I say, hold on. I know my name the cheese streets. See then, it on the bull and the patty are mixed. Oh, Irish and my name the fry fish. And the police boy make a swallow that split. No, I don't know about one. But when you hear the genius in them that little folk bar, first of all, what's a genius about? You see the thing about the man mentioned, that's not there Barbados, the man talk about cheese strips, it is, and we call it cheese strips in Jamaica, they might call it cheese puffer or something. It's the it and the bulla and the patty, bulla and patty and cheese strips, very Jamaican. Him say over Elshire name the fried fish and the police boy make a swallow that split. That is genius, it's not just a joke. So round of applause for the professor. No, listen, alright, remember some of listen us on cassette days. You remember cassette? You remember cassette man at Alpha. So when you start take bus from Alpha down the sun, forgot Papi. If me reach at the bus stop, I never play a Nuts cassette, whichever song I play when me reach, me not left till me hear it. So you know, it's a regular me get beaten because me reach up well late and you think what you don't know. So you want me to sing a song that is inspired by the same kind of writing style from the professor. I'm saying for the noise. Let's go. I want to talk about a most Jamaican experience. Hey, check. Oh, it's an hard man. Me just get me paycheck and I wait for the other man. Some people might not understand what that song I mean, but it's the hard-working Jamaican people. They never man. Come on, man, what's it say? And tomorrow, as we get to money. About 6 weeks wages in mommy, I come and tell my story. But so we can't put food on the table, so we can't put on back my cable. So that's man keep the table, you don't see me life unstable. Well me wore 1 month rent and me have to pay half. Couldn't pay a light so the back stay half. Me don't go leave my bills to pay half. The 6 week thing just show me way half. Lord me pray me not get laid off. Boy, and if I get laid off, I could have died deep and end up in a jail like Birdie made off. And tomorrow, Lord, as we get it done, Yes, and it feel like next month now go. And man say, as we get the money, it done. This is our third verse. And to note, Granny said, oh, water, pumpkin. But me want to ask you something. How many money want gone when I'm on 10? Me want 4 tire, me want fix the front end. Water commission, them take me to fool. Only bill every so one me not fool. Now between that and the light building, them can go to school and tomorrow. I see. Yeah, them thing are inside by the professor. I have a next one and it goes. Jamaican song again. You have someone who want to buy anything, but they don't want to buy anything for you. All the time them somewhere. You see? I say I'm happy with that style that father. See that? Press down them. What? Man does up in a name brand soon now. Mind them go. They can pick me up and give for the machine and name brand goes. They look man this mama bird and put them down for NASA. All the people I can let us. Mama walk and get home. Tell them say I'm either. Personally all the while. John, you do it, yo. You want to know? No. I want to go say I want to do it. I want to Professor Nuts says you're legend on the stage right there, so. Another DJ song inspired by not just Profeasor Nuts and King Yellowman, but I say 82 my bag, so me a 80s baby. So what I say, you have mixed up with this song, you play them down. So remember say them style now, original still. And you are grana, anything you love, hey Profeasor Nuts, Nuts and them, Russian like a people, mixing a rattle. I link her coffee. Freaky when she ready, but she know when she feel classy. Talking about that slim girl, mixing that party, catching that masala. Big bastard. Oh girl, you love. Girl, hold. Hey, watch out the way, but you know I say you love. You know me, make you dance in my street. I know me, make you my wife, you don't dance in that deep. No say anywhere we go, we say I'm here. Somebody say that no lie. I'm out here. Hey, you know, so that's something that every one of them is. Never. Let me get our next professor outside. Never. Now get our next professor outside. Pull up. Matter of fact, everything that comes. No. Professor Nuts have a thing one name. And this is something we learned from the professor. The engineer, please. Yeah, plug it out, yeah. You have a style one name. The 4 bar or the 4th bar is where you find the punchline. You realize that? So you have the stanza then set up in a way where it lead to an outcome, like a destination. It's not like the lyrics just are run. So one at a time, it was the length of the lyrics was the appeal. A man DJ till the rhythm done, and I was like, yo, you hear that man DJ till the rhythm done. That's like the mix-up style right now. A chorus, the lyrics just a go, and it just a go. But Professor Nuts have a style where it's leading to a punch on the 4th bar or the 8th or the 16th. So you do it, you have not then a union professor, then a study what to study.
Hey!
Yes.
And at the last 4 bar is a climax.
Thank you very much. I never want to say climax and make the ladies and get the wrong idea. But tell me something. It's leading somewhere. Right now there's a go on and a go on so. And some of the time it leads in such a way. Jesus, yo, thank you. So it leads in such a way where the listener can't even say the last line because it is a logical step to step. So you know the last line I'm going to say. And sometimes in the most genius way, you might left out the last word because you don't know why it is already. So for example, showtime ready. Mama have her own, daddy have his own. Anything them have, you better leave that. Me say, yeah, you wanna that, get you wanna home. Yeah, you wanna man to live in, you wanna, and don't depend on mommy. If you dead left, no will I depend on. And if you pay no light, then you must build the man of yourself. Alright, so I'm going to give you a style, but I'm borrow from that style. See it? When I give you the microphone, I'm going to say, run. What am I going to say? Run, right? Like run, yes? Follow the reason. We say we come from the ghetto with no money now. Run. Don't have the partner people water. Run. We don't see politician in election. Run. Gunshot of fire and a be a blood. Run. No matter what we still now pack up. Run. We can't forget the time them in a be a vibes. We kick back when we ends up be a joke we are. Anytime we hungry is a boat we go. What a thing when my partner job. Step up in the RugguDat appear liquor. Y'all don't pan a girl phone number. Then they come more after that a pum pum. Them time they fully under the studies of the professor, people like Lieutenant City, Papa San, same way, know the thing go, King Yellow, Admiral Bailey, and the great set. The argument said, we did that first and second and third, watch your blessings come forth. Oh, your cities have the battle to make your things shut and make them back on gold. Make them back on gold, say, oh, you're coming up on the banks of the hope. See the won't go. Never give up, never lose hope. See we never sell out and never sell down. It never break with spirit, but we not grow. Roll out smelling like carbolics. Yes, and we will not be run out just to stay afloat. And we run through just to go. And here I know, social mobility, limited scope. But mama make we know the time longer than rope. And we not frightened, we not no car, we used to go without. From food stamp and no stamp, full up with passport. 8 overnight, we put a gun in your transport. Think I let no banknote, that had the transport. Everybody wants a bus like public transport. We are wonderful, everything curry like gold. Put our rose and sit. Oh, watch your blessings come forth, your blessings come forth. Oh, your cities and the back of you, the good things, shall not be no bother. Sing that part of the business, oh, you're struggling out on the backs of the old God. We never give up and we never lose hope. We never say no. one road to back road. We have to make a mark like the shark on the blackboard. Yes, we have to do a thing for mama pat load. I'm just here now to take a black load. So level now, the whole of top and whole of wolf that back to come and tin mackerel have to kill. We can't we not go both for salmon and we not go back to stage. Answer to the summons, put it up resistance. Professor yes, he put a first and second and third. Blessings of God, blessings of God. Oh yes, it is a back to the lady. They go back on road, they go back on road. But oh yes, coming up like the lands of the old. We never give up and we never lose hope.